Excitement is in the air as we are all set for the Litera Fest. Litera Fest is Udaipur's most unique literature and art fest happening at Mount Litera Zee School, Udaipur, जहां हमें देखने मिलेगा एक आर्ट और लिटरेचर का बहुत ही अमेजिंग कॉम्बिनेशन. I am Darshan Gopal Chipa.
I am Nehal Mehta.
I am Parv Agrawal.
I am Muskan.
I am Divyansh Agrawal.
We are your hosts today. Let us take you through our virtual experience of Litera Fest. And to begin with, we have 6 zones and more than 30 activities.
The first zone, Artistry Hub, is all about workshops for origami, painting, sketching, creative storytelling, baking, and so much more.
The second zone, Expressive Realm, is going to be witness of sketching, music, and most important of all, if you're a fan of words, this is your place to be.
Next, we have the challenge zone. So get ready to play some adventurous games and kick your creativity. Also, don't worry if you get extra worked up after being so much creative. We have a relaxing corner for you. Aerobics, Zumba, Yoga. Litera Fest is not just for the mind, it's for the body and soul as well.
And don't forget to visit the Litera Fair, जहां हमको मिलेगा एक मौका to connect with authors, exchange our books, and you can enjoy some delicious food.
And what about parents?
For parents, we have an Entertainment Bazaar which allows them to witness live garment making stunning art gallery which featuring our school's best artistic talents.
Wow! Not only this, we have special photography exhibition, painting exhibition, and fashion show organized by the Master of Art.
That's very nice. तो आइए मिलते हैं 10th and 11th February
Mount Litera Zee School, Udaipur में.
Litera Fest.